This is a course I designed for CFA. The chapter is fixed income. First off, you will see a brief description of the course, what's it about, and how to get started by clicking the Start Course button, or you can go directly to the modules. When you start the course, you can see this course is divided into 3 micro-learning modules so that I break down the learning content to manageable chunks. First is an overview of the learning objectives of this module, and then it's an engagement activity, but also helps the students to get an understanding of some basic concepts. With the visual aid, it's much easier than to read on a textbook. And also here is an engagement question, prompting the students to think over the price and the other aspects of the bond. If you finish the activity, and then you can continue. It's called controlled navigation, so the students won't be overwhelmed by the information contained in one page. These chunks of text explain the basic ideas that is important in this module, and then there is a video introducing how to
Hi
solve
everyone,
the problem.
let's start with the concept capsules for today.
And here is a text-only version for the video transcript, so that all the students with different abilities can access the content. And then at the last, there is a key point summary that summarizes the key points of this module. It's easier for students to do recap and to make notes. And also there is a supporting resources, a discussion forum for the students to be involved in social collaboration learning. And then you can go to the next session is a quiz. The quiz is directly related to the content we just saw, so you can start a quiz. Then you can type in response, and if it's wrong, it will give you this calculation process, help you understand how to do it correctly. See? Then this is a matching problem to show you different kinds of problems that's possible in this environment. So when you finish the quiz, it will give you a result. If you ported this learning module to your learning management systems, it will be recorded in your system. You can take it again or go to the next module. And in this module, I used active learning and informative assessment as a way to facilitate that. As usual, it starts with an overview of what the learning goal of this module is. And then this is actually a learning activity. Instead of just telling you the relationships between the bond price and the other characteristics, you have to observe and try to find them out on your own. Then you answer this question, but it won't be graded. So there are actually two questions to this. If it's wrong, you can see this is the correct answer, and there is this explanation telling you what you should expect from this learning activity and what you can learn. When you click on continue, then there's the next one. It's about a different type of relationships, so you can finish that and continue on. By using the learning activities, I turn this textbook learning material into a more engaging one. And at last, when you finish all the learning activities, you see the key points summary. So like you can, if you didn't read through the explanations of all the questions, then you can still see it here. With supporting resources and a learning community, it's better to facilitate the students' learning.